Welcome. Whenever I go to Thailand, I always take one bag because anything else is completely unnecessary and slightly stupid. Because with one bag, you are faster than anyone. You are breathing through immigration. You don't have to wait at any luggage belt. You are the fastest at check-in. You can hop on bikes, on boats, on trains without carrying around all of this unnecessary luggage. And if you really need something, then buy it for $1 or $2. It's so easy. And if your clothes are dirty, then for God's sake, bring it to a laundry in Thailand in front of your hotel for $1 or $2 per day. If you pay an extra dollar, they will bring it to you on the same day, delivered to your hotel room. Behind me is everything that I packed for Thailand. And it's still too much. I don't know why, but I always pack too much, although I pack only a little bit. And by the way, after testing dozens of backpacks, I found the perfect one, 28 liters. Very small, maybe the smallest that's on the market. It's this one from Tomtoc. Disclaimer, they sent it to me for free, but they didn't pay me to make a video. But I used it, I loved it, and now I show you what's inside car. You have a little space for laptop and cables and stuff, and the other lower part is for your clothes. Here's what I pack for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 60 days. Doesn't matter. Boxer short number 1, boxer short number 2, one very good Buriram United football shirt, and another very good Buriram United football shirt, a sports pant with zippered pockets, best solution. You don't need the ridiculous looking fanny pack. A t-shirt, a second t-shirt, shirt number 2, shirt number 3, swimming trunks, 4 pairs of socks. And to be honest, I didn't need any of them. One more sports shorts with zippered pockets. My little blacklight lamp, to check if the hotel bed is very disgusting. A waterproof phone case acts as a wallet when you are here doing some run, or if you want to go to the beach and don't want to leave your valuables at the beach. Headphones and a little charger. iPhone and MacBook charger. MacBook Air. Noise cancelling earplugs. My hat. If you know, you know. By the way, this is my little hidden wallet where I put my passport and the money. You don't need anything else. And honestly, my ultimate goal is to travel without any bag. Just the clothes I wear. I know it's possible. I only have the bag with me because of the MacBook and the little tripod where the iPhone is on it right now. Without any tech, I guess I could fly anywhere without anything. Tell me in the comments if this is something for you, if you would join me on the one bag or the zero bag movement. And if you want to see the dirtiest hotel beds I found in Thailand, watch this video next where I show you the most horrible ones.